Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on using JavaScript observers for dynamic user notifications. In today's fast-paced digital world, the ability to provide real-time updates to users is crucial. By learning how to implement JavaScript observers, you will be able to create dynamic, responsive web applications that deliver timely notifications without requiring users to refresh the page. This tutorial will guide you through the core concepts of the observer pattern, its application in JavaScript, and practical examples of how to use it effectively. So, if you're looking to enhance your web development skills and create more engaging user experiences, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials and stay updated with the latest in web development. Let's dive into the theory behind JavaScript observers. The observer pattern is a software design pattern in which an object, known as the subject, maintains a list of dependents called observers. These observers are notified of any changes in the subject's state. This pattern is particularly useful for implementing dynamic user notifications because it allows applications to automatically update the user interface when data changes. In the JavaScript ecosystem, observers can be implemented using native APIs like Mutation Observer or through libraries such as RxJS. Each approach has its own advantages, and understanding these tools is crucial for effectively using observers in your applications. Imagine an online news platform where articles are updated live. Observers can push new articles to the user's view as they are published, enhancing engagement and experience. Now, let's look at a practical code example of implementing observers using RxJS. We'll create a live news feed that updates with new articles automatically. In this example, we'll use an observable to simulate breaking news updates every 5 seconds. The observable pattern allows us to define a data stream that observers can subscribe to, receiving updates as they occur. The code is structured in a way that makes it easy to manage and update notifications dynamically. Let's walk through a demonstration of our dynamic notification system in action. Imagine visiting a news website where the page initially displays "No new articles yet." As new articles are published, the observer pattern ensures that the text updates to "Breaking news, new article published," without the need for a page refresh. This seamless update happens every 5 seconds, providing a real-time experience to users. Such functionality is not only engaging, but also crucial for applications that require immediate data updates, such as chat applications or live sports scores. In conclusion, mastering JavaScript observers for dynamic user notifications opens up a world of possibilities in creating responsive and engaging web applications. By understanding and implementing the observer pattern, you can provide real-time updates to users, enhancing their experience and interaction with your application. As you continue your journey in web development, remember to reflect on how these concepts can be applied to your projects and challenge yourself to innovate further. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials that will accelerate your learning curve with clear, real-world examples. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.